Hey YouTube, back again, and it was kind of like mail day today. Got a couple of things in the mail, and I won some box breaks earlier this week, and they finally come in. So I just thought I would open them up and show you what I got. And some of it's not that impressive, but you know, still I like the cards that I got, and it was neat messing around in that what they call a box break, and I don't know if you've ever done it, ever participated in one, but I enjoy it. So I will open these up, and I'm going to show you what I got. And first one is, where is it? Come on. I won a black gold autographed jersey patch here, numbered 115 of 225 of Kenyon Drake, and it's you can see right there where his pin kind of swooshed right into the jersey part of it. Not one of the greatest cards, and it's got some little smudges up there at the top, but anyway, still I won it, and I wish that they would have put it in a freaking sleeve. Well, I'm going to leave it out because I'm going to put it in the sleeve. And the next one, several other cards. I want a Cam Newton, numbered, let's see, what is that? Five of 225, it looks like. Yeah, number 5 of 225. Now that's a sweet looking card. Very nice. Black gold, I really like these cards. Really like these cards. They put this one in the sleeve, but they don't put that one in the sleeve. I don't understand. Anyway. And then I got this one right here. It's got I can't even pronounce his name. Carew. Gold prospecting, number oh crap, I'm getting too old to read these. Anyway, it's got looks like it's got 4 pieces of the jersey here and 1 piece of the football. And that's a cool looking card. Carew of the Dolphins. Leonte Carew. Well, maybe they did put this one in the sleeve. There it is right there. Well, I take that back. Whatever I said about them. Cool looking card. Let's see if this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Man, that's kind of smudged up right there. Fingerprints. Man, I don't know if that came from the factory or what. Man. All down here. That is the worst black gold card that I have ever had. And that's the nicest gold card I ever had either. Man. Crap. Well, I'm going to write him and tell him what I think of that one. Oh. Never hurts to say. Let them know about their quality control. And it looks like they sent me 2009 Playoff Prestige 100 new rookie cards. Why don't I just go ahead and open this up. Brandon Jacobs, Brady Quinn, Donald Brown, Carson Palmer, and Willie Parker. That's cool. They sent those along with the ones that I won. And then this one. Be careful opening these up. These, I won a bunch of Cowboys in this one. Aikman and Steve Young. Classic Clashes. Banner Season. Dak Prescott. Color Rush Ezekiel Elliott. Color Rush Dez Bryant. And then I got a Classic Moments Emmitt Smith. Michael Irvin Next Level. Michael Irvin Record Breakers. There's a Michael Irvin Taco Charlton, Noah Brown, another Noah Brown, another Taco, Jason Witten, Cole Beasley, Tony Romo, Bob Lilly, Tony Dorsett, Michael Irvin, Dez Bryant, Season Ticket Jason Witten, Miles Austin, and the business card. That's who that's the break I wanted from Down South Sports Cards. Give them a little shout out there. That's who I won the break from. And then I also got Tommy Frazier autograph card. That's a cool looking card. Okay, guys, that was it for mail time, and just let you know that I got more to come. Thanks.